Hi everyone, I want to show you a game that truly inspired me a lot. Robson made a fantastic attack against Wesley Saw on American Cup. Let's see this in details because the ideas of Robson are really magnificent. My name is PavelChess, and welcome you here on my YouTube channel, and let's start. We have this position. Looks like white wants to attack. All pieces of white are extremely up to the king side, and as well we are 1 pawn less. Immediately you want to take a decision such like knight g5, attacking to the checkmate. But unfortunately after h6 you don't have enough power to continue the attack. For example, the sack on s6 is not works. Takes, bishop a6, king h8, bishop h6. It looks very dangerous. But here black can basically win. Knight goes f3. The idea of this sacrifice is to connect the bishop to have this protector to the king. Takes on f3, takes on h6, takes queen h7. And basically that's it. We are drafting to the nice endgame for black that black really should win. Sometimes, like here knight f3, we need to give back some extra material to stabilize the position and win later. Okay, returning back to after the rook fd8. What else can we do? Knight f6, bishop h6, all these ideas currently are not working. And if we will go deep inside into details, we will recognize that we don't have enough pieces to attack. And that's why the next brilliant move by Robson. Rook goes d3. He wants to connect the rook here to the king side and continue the attack. After queen e7, Wesley trying to bring the queen closer to the king. Rook h3, I already want to checkmate. So h6 looks like an only one move. But here, I'm not taking right now on h6. Because after that, black can just take, and knight g6. And again, their pieces are in time to protect the king here, unfortunately for us. We are going just bishop g5. We're asking the queen what to do. For sure, you can't take because of queen h8 mate right now. So the queen should go back somewhere. And Wesley decided to play queen e8 to save the queen closer to the king. And right now, I can't be really satisfied with bishop takes d8, rook takes d8. Honestly, it's saving advantage for white, material advantage, but we don't have an attack anymore. That's why we are ready to go bishop takes h6, definitely. Now, if you will take on h6, I can just go knight f6, and that's it. Basically, it's done for black. So black plan to go knight g6. Okay, they are ready to give back the pawn, but stay safe around the king. Now bishop g5 back, f6, trying to block it. And here's the move that was so magnificent in my vision and so strong. So really we can also play knight takes f6. It should be winning the sacrifice, but we need to count a lot and so on and so on. For example, according to the computer, after knight f6, bishop f6, the best move is f4. How you can even find this in the game, I really don't know. It's a computer move 100%. But Robson made the best move from the human side. Rook e1 right now. Very strong. So the rook on f1 was the only one piece that didn't take part in the attack. And after rook e1, I'm going to neg this weakness on e6. This pawn started to be a serious weakness after f6. And my pieces are ready to attack. For example, if you will take on g5 right now, I can just take on g5 and the weakness of e6 basically makes you give up this position. That's why Wesley tried the last chance. He played rook e7, trying to connect the rook via the 7 rank to protect. Remember this defending tool, basically it could help you in some moment in your own game. But unfortunately in this situation, after knight takes f6, bishop takes f6, rook e6, black's losing. What's going on? I want to have a discovery attack to this king. So queen f7 looks like the only one. But unfortunately for black, rook takes f6. Now, if queen takes a2, then just mate in one. Pieces domination of white. That's why Wesley tried to take on f6, but queen g6. We are using that the queen on f7 is pinned with the bishop. And after king f8, rook h8, black resigned. Because after the king f7, I'm going queen f7. I have more material, and basically I'm doing a forced checkmate in 6, according to the computer. So, what a nice attack. Pay attention to these ideas. Rook d3, rook h3, and to rook e1. All pieces of white used to be in an attack. It's very strong. It's a real grandmaster understanding of the attacking ideas. Take this in count, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful game. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.